Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 7. Which of the above can correctly be listed as evidence for the particulate nature of matter? We have evaporation, sublimation, diffusion, and Brownian motion. Now, looking at this, you notice that evaporation simply means what change of states from liquid to vapor, but actually without getting to its boiling point. Sublimation simply refers to change of states from solid directly to gas. Then diffusion here is just what showing the movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. While Brownian motion is just the haphazard motion of the particles of a material due to the bombardment of this material by the surrounding environment. Now, if you look at these four phenomena, which is evaporation, sublimation, diffusion, and Brownian motion, you will notice that they all talk about the particulate nature of matter because they deal with the particle of matter. Evaporation dealing with the particle changing from liquid to vapor, sublimation dealing with the particle changing from solid to gas, and diffusion dealing with the movement of the particles. Brownian motion also dealing with the haphazard motion of the particles of this material, which is matter. So therefore, everything listed here actually serve as an evidence for the particulate nature of matter, making option D the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.